Alright students, today I have brought a brand new lesson that is something about decimals. I will teach you how to find square root of decimals. And for this you will learn a new method where it seems very difficult in the beginning, but once you are through with the procedure, once you learn one sums how to do it, and I must tell you it's going to be a cake for all of us, and especially you require to jot down just one important table. So take out your exercise book and let's not delay it. Let's get started. So let's learn finding the square root of decimals. You can see there are four questions. So I will try to solve two of them, and two you will do it yourself. And wherever you get problem, you can refer to the problems which I had solved, and this will help you to do these kind of sums quicker and faster. So the topic is finding the square root of the decimals. So I'll choose number A. The question is 7 decimal to 9. Okay, I have written two tables here. This is the most important table. What does it show? That if you look at the number which is in the question, decimal number, you see the number at the units place. For some time we just forget the decimal, we just treat it as a 729. So at the units place you have got 9. So if you have 9, the answer at the units place either will be 3 or 7. Same if it is 6, the answer at the units place will be either 4 or 6. Similarly, 5, units place 5. In the question, if at units place the number is 4, in the answer at the units place either it will be 2 or 8. If it is 1, in the answer the units place number will be either 1 or 9. This is what you have to learn it. It's very easy to learn. If you remember 1, if you look at them, 1 plus 9, 10, 2 plus 8, 10, 4 plus 6, 10, 3 plus 7, 10. So if you remember any one of them, you will be able to find the other, because the addition should be 10. So this is how you can remember. Now this is for the reference. I'll tell you how to use. It's very simple. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 35, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, and 10 square 100. This is for the reference. How we are going to use it? Let's learn it. So the question is 7 decimal 29, the square root you have to find. First step, what I'm going to do, I will check if at units place, what is the probable number at the units place in the answer. So if you see 9, it could be either 3 or 7. Fine, one step is done. Now second step, what we do, we make always pair, because in the square root we deal with pair numbers. So this is one pair. For the second step, we'll ignore this, go to the next. There's no pair, so I'll treat 7 as one pair. Just treat, because there's no number attached, so I'll treat 7. Now with this number, I'll do a comparison. Where do we find a number which is closer to 7? So you can see here, closer to 7 you have got 9. So it means 9 is the 3 square. So you've got two options, 3 square, that is 9, and so if it is closer to 9, I'll choose the number which is before that. So before that you have got 2 square, that is 4. So in the second, I mean 10th place, I will write the number just prior to that. So 4 is the square of 2, so I'll write square root, that is 2. Done it? Okay. Now last step, this 7, we will compare 7. 7 will just find out whether it is closer to 9 or closer to 4. So see, how would you find? If you see 7 and 9 difference is 2, and 4 and 7 the difference is 3. Which one is closer? So of course 9 is closer than 4. So 9 is a greater number. 9 is a greater number than 4. So I'll choose the greater number between 2, 3 and 2, 7. So which one is greater? 27. So it would be the answer. Now we'll deal with the decimal. For every pair, we put decimal one digit before. So there is one pair, I'll put decimal 2.0. Okay, so eventually you get the square root of 7.29 is 2.7. This is the answer. It seems little critical at this point in time, but it will be more clear as you keep doing. I'll teach you one more. Let's do the number D for you. So it is, just give me a moment. Okay, so the question is decimal 2809. So what will be the first step? Of course, I will just check. There's no space here. So what I'm going to do, I'll write this question once again. Okay, decimal 2809. So I'll see the possible number at the units place in the answer. So what could be the answer in the units place? 9. So of course either 3 or 7. Now second step, we'll ignore this pair, we'll go to this pair, 28. Now we'll see 28 is closer to which number? 28 is closer to, let's here you can see 36. 36, that is 6 square. So I will choose, and before that you have got 25, that is 5 square. So I'll choose the smaller one, so I'll choose 5 here. I told you one number before, so I'll choose this number 5. Now last step, we'll do the comparison. 28 is closer to 36 or 25. So you can see easily, you can say the difference between 28 and 25 is 3 and the difference between them is 8. So the closer number is 25 and 25 and 36. So 25 is smaller than 36. So I'll choose the smaller number between them. So which one is smaller? 53. So our answer will be here. And now we'll deal with the decimal. For each pair, we shift decimal a digit before. So there are 2 pairs, so decimal 2 digits before. So here, so answer will be, for this, the answer will be decimal 53. Or you can put 0 in the beginning. 0.53 will be the answer to this question. Is that clear? Okay. Now, quickly, you must try number B and see whether you reach to get the answer or not. If it is, then you can pause this video, check your answer, and to check the procedure, you can come back and check how I'm doing this particular sum. Okay, number B, 21.16. First step, see the possibility of the number at units place. If it is 6, either you get 4 or you get 6. Second step, we'll see the second pair, 21. 21 in the table, okay, is closer to, there are 2 numbers, either 16 or 25. So I'll choose the smaller number because 21 is closer to 25. I'll choose the smaller number. 16 is 4 square, 25 is 5 square. So I'll choose this 4. So in the tens place, I'll write 4. Last step, we see the difference. 21 and 25 difference is 4 and 21 and 16 difference is 5. Which one is closer? 25. So 25 is greater than 16. So I'll choose the bigger number. Which one is bigger number? 46. So this will be the answer. I'll now deal with the decimal. For this pair, decimal will be 4.6. So answer will be 4.6. Is that clear? Okay. Let's do this number C quickly. Okay, number C is 94.09. Okay. So at the units place you have 9. So possible number at the units place in the answer will be either 3 or 7. Second step, I'll go to the next pair, 94. 94 is closer to 100. Okay, and before that you've got 81. So I will choose the smaller number. So which one is smaller? 9. So I'll write here 9. Now next step, we do the comparison. 94 and difference between them is 6, and here 4 1 minus 3 and 9. So here the difference between 94 and 81 is 13, and here it is 6. So which one is closer? 100. So 100 is bigger than 81. So I'll choose the bigger number. Which one is bigger number? 97. Okay, now we'll deal with the decimal. For this pair, decimal will be just a digit before, 9.7. So 94.09, the square root is 9.7. This is the answer. Is that correct? So I hope this lesson helped you to learn the procedure or the shortcut to find the square root of a decimal. Keep learning. If you have a question, do leave it in the comment section. Take care. I'll come back with a new chapter.